Guys, so we're gonna do a little cleaning here. I got some new hacks, some new cleaning products I wanted to share with you guys. But this bleach scrubbing bubbles, honey, it gets your tub and your toilet bowl clean. So I'm just gonna clean up. Y'all know I like to refresh a room or two at a time. I always tell you guys, don't try to do your whole house in one day. It will keep you overwhelmed and stressed out. Pick you one or two rooms and call it a day. And today I'm doing my bathroom in my bedroom, and I'm gonna be happy with that. So I'm just going in, cleaning the toilet, flushing it real good, then disinfecting it with this disinfectant spray. And then once I'm done with that, y'all know y'all have to get into them crevices, because when I tell y'all the toilet is one of the most nastiest place. And the only reason why I don't use gloves is because it's in my house. Now, if I was cleaning a public place, oh, I have some gloves on. You can believe that. But I'm just going through disinfecting everything. Y'all let me know, do y'all enjoy cleaning the toilet? Because it ain't really one of my favorite things to do, but you know, it has to be done. So I'm taking off the stuff off the top of the toilet because I got some new stuff I want to try in the back of the toilet. These little eye cubes. These right here, honey, I put them in my tub. This video was like a week or two ago, but I put them in my toilet in the back, and it does deodorize it, helps it to smell good, and it also helps the toilet bowl smell good as well. So I like it. I would say it's worth a couple of dollars. And then this is my favorite little thing. It's supposed to keep the rust and the buildup, mold and stuff from around the crevices. So far, I'm liking it. I really like it. I had a trouble getting it out there, but once I got it out, it's little gooey stuff. It lasts up to 6 little threads, and you just put it in there, and it's supposed to help with the ring. Because as I'm doing a voiceover of this, I have actually cleaned my toilet again, and it really did get the keep the ring down. And then I'm just going in restocking my tampons and my pads. This little basket, I got it, y'all, from the Dollar Tree. Well, it was $1 when I got it, but it's probably $1.25. And this is one of the storage bins I have up under my sink in the bathroom. I try my hardest, y'all, to keep it organized. But boy, me and that bathroom under the sink, we don't have a good relationship, because I have to find myself organizing at least every 2 weeks, because I promise you, I can't find nothing in there. So I promised myself today that I was going to go ahead and restock up on some things, and later on I'm going to go out and have a little me time. You'll see that towards the end with the haul and all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm just restocking my tampons and seeing what all I have before I go to the grocery store, because y'all know you cannot go up in the doggone store and ain't got a list. You will come out with everything but what you need. So I'm just going to finish up stocking this, and that's it.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but
And I found a new concoction, you guys. I've been mixing the Downy lavender and vanilla scent boosters along with the Arm & Hammer. When I tell y'all, I had my carpet smelling so good, my room was smelling so fresh. But I think I'm just gonna bite the bullet and go ahead and pay steamer stillers to come in and get these stains up out my carpet, because I've been here going on 4 years, and when you move your bed around, it just All right, you guys, so I done made it back home. Listen, when I tell you, your girl had an amazing me time today. Can y'all just say, I spent about 3 hours. This book, this is what I bought from Barnes & Noble. I was reading this book by Iyanla Vanzant, Get Over It. Y'all, I'm like right here. The book was so good, I had to buy it. I was in Barnes & Noble's doing my little me time like I always do, but I couldn't put this book down. So y'all, if y'all got a Barnes & Noble's close to y'all, go get this book. Read it. I promise you it'll change your life. Y'all know I always talk about you got to keep your mind right. You got to keep that mind right, because if you get the mind right, everything else will flow. Honey, she gonna get that mind right. Always, no matter what you do, listen, always take some time out in your day to journal and put some positivity in your mind. Something that's gonna help you. Because if you win it in your mind, y'all, I always say, if you win that fight in your mind, everything else on the outside will come to pass. It will work out. But anyway, I ain't gonna sell too much more of this book, but y'all, I'm telling y'all, go get this book. Then, because I was like, if I get in there and get in the shower, I may forget to do the haul for y'all. Then, y'all know I'm always finding self-care. And I have been wanting this for a while. And every time I go in there, they never have my size. So I got me another pajama set. Something to lounge around the house. Y'all will be seeing these on my self-care videos. But can't wait to wear that, because y'all know I just bought another one too. So y'all know I like cute stuff. Y'all know your girl love cute stuff. And then, of course, I always got to stock up on my hand and foot mask. Y'all know I love Aveeno prebiotic oat and shea butter foot and hand mask. So got that to, say a little bit at a time to go in your self-care basket, ladies. It doesn't cost you an arm and a leg to do little bit at a time to put some stuff back in your self-care basket, because once you use it, you got to keep replenishing your basket. So I got that. And then, of course, y'all know my baby girl took over my other dry body brush. So I got me another dry body brush. And I saw these, and I want to try these out in the stool and see how they work. They go in the back in the tank, so it automatically cleans your toilet bowl in the back. This little part right here, the back. So can't wait to use that. And then y'all know I was talking about, I've been wanting the vanilla and raspberry method hand wash. When I tell y'all, it smells so good. Y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all. I've been wanting this for months, and Walmart's always out. Target was always out. So today I finally found it, y'all. Y'all, go get this. This smells so divine. Oh, and y'all know Method makes some good products anyway. So got that. I don't even know if I still have my... Yes, I do. Yes, I do. So I can empty this out, because I don't even know what this is, to be honest with you. I really don't care at this point, because I've been wanting this so bad. So I might just mix it. You never know, because I think this is soft soap. I want to say this is what this is. I think this is what this is. Y'all don't quote me on it, but I think this is what I'm going to do as soon as I get through. I'm going to put this in there, because y'all can tell my eyes kind of red, because y'all know I go to bed with the chickens, and it's like 7 something. My eyes start looking like I'm high about this time. So I'm going to jump in the shower after this. But I was like, let me get this haul out the way. And y'all, I got on one of my cute little outfits. It was like 70 degrees today. I was like, couldn't wait to show my legs. So I got on my cute little dress. And then baby girl got my other down there female to wash. So I had to grab this, because Mother Nature may be calling the next 2 days. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to go find it at Walmart. I don't know. When I went in there the other day, they ain't have it. So I just got this fragrance-free female wash, just the extra steps to make sure I'm fresh for that time of the month. Then I saw this. Y'all know I'm always looking for some good smell, good cleaning products. This one is prevents buildup of lime scale and toilet rings. So can't wait to try this in its citrus scent. Y'all know I love citrus. It just puts me in a good mood. And then I got me this, y'all. Y'all know I do my oil pulling, but I finally was able to find this in the store. So I won't have to just be digging out of my coconut. Y'all know, because y'all know your girl be doing... I'm going to use what's in my kitchen. But your girl is out, and every time I go in the store, I keep forgetting to get it. But I saw this. So I finally got me some coconut mint pulling oil, and it's working, you guys. I'm telling you, if y'all have not tried oil pulling, please start. If you want to be 90 and 100 years old and still got all your teeth and healthy gums and all that, oil pulling, you guys. So got that. Super excited about that. And then I got me some more citrus essential oil. So I'm super excited about this because y'all know I got my, hold up. I've been waiting to put my mini humidifier on because I didn't have any more essential oil, and I love the citrus one because it just puts me in a good mood. So got that. So can't wait to try that. Whoo, y'all, when I tell you your girl is tired. And then you got some panty liners because they didn't have the ones I like. So I just got that. And then, of course, the last thing I got was this Scrub and Bubbles Bubbly Bleach Gel Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Can't go wrong with that. So that is my haul, you guys. I hope this video today inspires you, encourages you to do a little bit for yourself. I enjoyed my me time today. Y'all know one of my favorite places to go is Barnes & Nobles. And I sat in there for 3 hours, and then I looked up, it was getting dark. I was like, let me hand my little happy little self on to the house. But anyway, I love you guys. And can y'all just say, we done made it and we done crossed on over the 3,000. We done crossed over the 3K. Do you hear me? It's 3,000 of y'all sunshines. What? So, okay. All right. Girl is looking high than a kite. And I'm about to end this video. I'm going to wind down with a shower. And I'm going to take my little self to bed. It's been a doozy these last week and a half. So, I love you guys. Make sure you follow me. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss an episode. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I love you guys. Mwah.